guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I hope you like what you see and will stick around and subscribe for future videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing my recent latest in beauty box. If you watched my last unboxing video, you will see that I had a small giveaway on that video, and this has now closed and the winners have been chosen. I have emailed all the winners when the giveaway ended on the 28th of February. At the point I'm filming this, I haven't yet had a response from all of them, but hopefully by the time this video goes live I will have heard back from them all and their names will be in the description box below. So congratulations to all the winners, and the item that you won will be getting sent to you very shortly, so keep an eye out for that. And now on to this month's box that I received. On a side note first, actually I must just mention this wet brush pro that I received. I think it was in my last normal box from Latest in Beauty, and I just had to mention it because I absolutely love it. It's got such fine bristles that it glides through your hair when it's wet to detangle it, especially for my really thick hair. I find it brilliant. It doesn't tug at all. When I picked this I just thought, yeah, I could do the new hairbrush. It wasn't for what it said it did, but I just highly recommend this hairbrush if you can get your hands on one, and especially if you have thick frizzy hair, as it's absolutely brilliant for detangling. On to this month's box that I received, and it comes in its usual packaging. First I'll just mention the usual freebies that get thrown in, and the first one is this Pretty Athletic Recovery Boost Serum. I think this is the second time I've received this now. I still haven't used the first one. I'm probably not going to use this, so this will most likely either get passed on to a friend or binned, but a freebie is a freebie. The next freebie is a bit random. We usually get food products, and this time we have a tea bag, and this is the We Are Tea Alert Get Going Ginkgo and Ginseng tea bag. I do like fruit tea, but not so much herbal tea, but I am quite tempted to give this one a go to see if it does wake me up as it says it does, because I am a tea drinker, obviously being British. I do go with the stereotype and I will give this a little go. To the products that I chose for this month, and one of the first ones I went for was this Carmex Peach and Mango Burst Lip Balm. Given the colder months at the moment, my lips have been so dry, desperate need of moisture, so I thought you can't go wrong with a lip balm. I've never actually tried anything from the brand Carmex before, but I've heard that it's really good at repairing damaged lips. So I picked this one up, and it does smell so nice that it's really hard to avoid the temptation to actually lick it off your lips as soon as you've put it on. Next I went for this Collection Speedy Blush. Now I really like the brand Collection, and one of my favourite concealers is from that brand, so when I seen that I could pick up one of their products as part of my box, I thought it's best go for it. So this is a stick blush, and it does look a bit more purpley in person than it did online, but it's not too bad of a colour. If you blend it out, you just, I think, gotta have a bit of a light hand when using it, but it's really smooth to go on. I have seen these in Superdrug, and these do normally retail for about £4. Next I picked up a Sanctuary Cleanse Foaming Micellar Water. I really like the brand Sanctuary, and it is, to me, a bit more of a pricey company, and I thought I'd give it a go with the foaming. It's not as foaming as I thought it would be, because in my head foaming to me is kind of like my Foam Burst shower gel, in that it has a lot of air to it, whereas this just has a few bubbles in it. So I was slightly disappointed by the foaming aspect on it, but it's really nice on the skin, and I did feel like it got rid of the sort of daily dirt. So I will reach for this again. I say I was just slightly disappointed by the foaming aspect of it. Next I chose this Lip Coat Lipstick Sealer because I was really intrigued by it. It says to put your lipstick on, blot it with a tissue, then apply this over the top. And it's supposed to avoid smudging and feathering and fading on lipsticks. So this is how it comes. I've only actually tried it once, and it is the weirdest sensation, because it comes to me it's like a nail varnish sort of applicator. So it is the weirdest sensation putting something on your lips with this type of brush, and it doesn't actually smell very nice. It does smell slightly like very faint smell of nail varnish. I don't know if it's got one of the same ingredients in that nail varnish has, but I didn't like it. I didn't notice a great difference with the lasting time on the lipstick, but to be honest, the lipstick that I did put it on top of was one that does generally last quite a while anyway. I will give it another go because with one that I know fades, I've picked the wrong lipstick to try it on, but I didn't like the application of it because it doesn't smell very nice, it hasn't got the best taste, and it's so weird applying something on your lips like that. I think this is about £4 in the shop also, but I was intrigued enough to try it. The next product I ordered is the Tropical Paradise Coconut Bath Bomb, and I ordered this to effectively force me to take a bath. I say all the time I'm going to have a bath and I never do. I just always get showers because I just can never be bothered with the effort of a bath. I know if I did actually make a bath I would enjoy it at the time, so I thought this, if I leave this sitting on my bathroom counter, the bright colours will remind me that I need to take a bath, and it does smell amazing. To me, coconut is the smell of holiday. It just smells so nice, so I'm hoping this will force me to actually have a bath sometime soon because I feel like I do deserve one. The final product that I ordered was this Nude by Nature pressed eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Coral. It comes in this really gorgeous rose gold packaging, and it also has a little mirror which is handy. Tried a few things from the brand Nude by Nature, mainly a powder foundation and a concealer, and I did really enjoy using them. They were actually samples that I tried, and I've never got round to purchasing the full size, but generally I did like the brand itself. What actually sold me to put this in my box was the fact that this size retails for £14. I only paid £15 for the box in total, so effectively I've paid full price for this and £1 for everything else. And it's going to be handy to throw in my handbag, so I've always got an eyeshadow on me should I need one. So I'm really glad I picked this up, and I wore it on my eyes one night just around the house, and it is a really nice colour, and it did seem to last quite a while as well, so I'm quite happy with that. I am still enjoying receiving this subscription service and I'm picking the products each month, but I've noticed recently that the products that they're putting on aren't staying on there as long, in that they're not on there for the whole month, so you sometimes do miss out on something that you might have had your eye on. I suppose I could just not check prior to my date and then I wouldn't know what I was missing out on, but still, overall it is a good subscription service. So that's it for today's unboxing, and if you like this video please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.